Zip is delivering to a construction site. Oh no! It's an excavator. It's used to dig holes on construction sites, but right now, it's in the way. It's our friends Liza and Milo. Maybe they know a way around. They said the coast is clear if Mr. Zip goes left. There's another vehicle in the way. It looks like a crane. Cranes are used to lift heavy objects. Good idea! B. Franklin can fly over and find a clear path. We can get around the construction if we turn right. Looks like Grandma is renovating her house. That means she's fixing it up. The package must be for her. She's using a jackhammer, a very loud drill to break up concrete. Grandma can't hear us, but Mr. Zip's job isn't done until she signs for the package. B. Franklin finally got her attention. Phew! Now Grandma has what she needs to keep building this house. But what is it? A wrench! Of course! Lots of things need tightening on a construction site.